Well, I thought I would do a little overview slash review of this number plate bag that I got from dirtbikegear.com. These are made in Gunnison, Colorado, which is fairly local to me. And I mean, it's not really much to say about it, but just kind of wanted to throw it out there. If you're looking for gear options, looking for ways to hold stuff on your bike. So I like this thing. It's got two pockets, one in the front and one in the rear of it. Right now I've got a tool roll in there, so it fits quite nicely. Put that in there. Other cool thing they have is this, I think they call this a key loop. So you can like clip your vehicle keys on there, guaranteed not to lose them. It's a nice little touch. So yeah, you can just tell that, this thing's made really nicely, really good quality. And if you needed to, I mean, this can hold a lot of stuff. I don't carry much in there, pretty much just a tool roll. Sometimes I'll throw my phone in there. I'll clip my keys on here. But, I mean, this gets pretty big. Like, you can stuff a jacket in here. So this is kind of what it looks like from the side profile. I mean, it can fit a lot of stuff. And when you have it secured down and everything, it doesn't bounce around all crazy either. That's what's nice about this mounting system. So once it's, once you have it where you want it and clipped, I mean, it really doesn't move around or bounce around. I don't notice it either, I don't notice any weight difference or anything like that with it on there. As far as how the bike handles, it has these other little loops on it too. I guess you can attach stuff to if you needed. It's adjustable, so you can the nice thing is, you can also strap stuff in with the buckle if something couldn't fit inside of it for whatever reason. And it attaches to, it has two straps that attach to the handlebars. And it has two straps that you can attach to like your hand guards. There, and then it has two straps that go underneath the bottom triple clamps for the forks, so they kind of just wrap around there, and it's supported that way. So it's got adjustability, depending on what bike you have. If you're running a headlight, you want to make sure it's not covering the headlight. They're washable, and like I said, made here in Colorado. It's a small company. They don't really have much information out there about them, so I thought I'd kind of give them a little shout here. So they make all different types of bags. They make ones that can go on the rear. I think they make front fender bags as well. But check them out. They're really high quality, and they're really not that expensive either. So once again, that's dirtbikegear.com. It's hyphenated. Check them out. They make really good stuff. And you're helping support a small business.